Good afternoon, students. In previous class, we were discussed about data types. So in SQL Server, how many data types are available? So we already covered that topic. So today we are going to discuss about new topic. So the topic name is called SQL commands. So this is very important concept. Whenever we have to learn this SQL commands concept, so 50% SQL course is completed. So that's why it is a most important concept in SQL. So today we are going to discuss about SQL commands. So here we have five types of SQL commands available. So the first one is DDL commands. So DDL stands for data definition language. And the second one is DML commands. So DML stands for data manipulation language. And third one is DCL commands. So DCL stands for data control language. And fourth one is TCL commands. So TCL stands for transaction control language. Transaction control language. And the last one is DQL. So DQL stands for data query language. So these are the five types of commands available in every relational database. So today we are going to discuss about only DDL commands. So these DDL commands working on top of the database objects only. So these DDL commands working on top of the database objects. So here how many database objects are available? So here we have different kinds of database objects available. So the first one is table. So it is a one of the object. Second one is view, index, procedure, function, trigger, sequence. So like that we have different kinds of database objects available. So these all are database object: table, view, index, procedure, function, trigger, sequence. So if you want to perform any kind of operation on top of the database object, so we have to use this DDL commands. Okay, for example, if you want to create any table, if you want to remove any table, if you want to modify the table structure, then we have to use DDL commands. Okay, so these DDL commands are used to perform any operation on top of the database object. And so these DDL commands again classified into five types. So the first one is create command, and the second one is alter, and the third one is truncate, and the fourth one is drop, and the last one is rename. So these are the DDL commands. So each command is used to each purpose. So first we will discuss a create command. So what is the use of create command? So create command is used to create any database object. So here we have database objects are there. So if you want to create any these database object like tables, views, indexes, procedures, functions, whatever it is maybe, if you want to create any database object, then we have to use a create command. So this is the definition of the create command. It is used to create any database object like table, comma, view, and so on. Now see the syntax. So how to create the table? Create table. You need to specify the table name. After that consider the column names. First column name 1 and specify the data type. For the data type you need to allocate the size also. And second one, take the column 2, specify the data type, and for the data type you need to allocate the size also. Take the column 3, data type, in the brackets size. So like that you need to take multiple columns here. So this is the syntax for creation of the table. So create table, table name. First take the column name, and for the column name specify the data type. For the data type you need to allocate the size. So like that you need to take multiple columns here. See the example how to create the table. So here I am taking one student table. Create table. So the table name is student. So here first column name is student ID. I am taking the integer data type. So for the integer data type no need to specify the data type. Okay. Whenever string data type is occur, so those string data types you need to take size. For the remaining data types no need to take the size, default it will allocate, comma, next student name. So this is varchar data type, so I am giving size is 15. Next address, this is also varchar data type. Next age, this is also integer, I am giving tiny int here. So this is DOB means date of birth, so this is date data type. So like that here I am taking 5 columns. First column name is student ID, I am specifying the integer data type. Second column is student name, specifying the varchar data type, taking the size 15. And third one is address column, and it is considering as a varchar data type, and the size is 20. And fourth column is age, so here I am taking the tiny int So already I explained what is a tiny int, what is a varchar, what is a int. Okay. So here last one is a date of birth. So here I am indicating date data type. So like that you need to specify the column names data type for the size. So here table is created successfully. So now if you want to see the table structure and properties, that means how many columns are available, so those columns having which data type it is, and that data type having what is the size, and how many indexes are there, how many constraints are there. So we will discuss later that one. So like that if you want to see the all the properties of the table, so then we have to use one command. So that command name is sp underscore help table name. What is the table name here? Student. So by using this command, so you will see the all the properties of the table. So now please observe. So here column names are there, and data type also there here. So the size is also there. So for the integer data type, it is default, it can take 4 bytes. Varchar already given the 15 bytes, and this is address, and this is also having 20 bytes, and tiny int, so this is a default, it can take a 1 byte, and last one is date, so it will defaultly allocated the 3 bytes of. Okay, so like that we have to see all the properties of the table by using this command sp underscore help. Yeah, so this is the regarding about create command. So now we will move to next command. Next one, alter command. So alter command is used to modify the existing table structure. Modify the existing table structure. See the syntax, and here we have 3 different types of alter commands available. So the first one is alter with yard. The second one is alter with the drop, and the third one is alter with the alter. So we will discuss one by one. First one, alter with the yard. So alter with yard command is used to yard the new columns, into existing table. So that is the use of alter with yard command. So see the syntax. Alter table name, yard, column name, data type, specify the size. So this is the syntax for the alter with the yard. So by using this command, so you need to yard the columns for the required table. So here please observe, see the practically. So here how many columns are there? Here we have 5 columns. So now I want to add the one more column for this student table. Please observe, select a star from student. So here student ID, student name, address, age, date of birth. So these are the 5 columns. So now newly adding the one more column here. alter table name yard. So I want to add the course column course. So this is n varchar data type and specifying the size is 20. So please observe. So previously 5 columns is there, so now we are adding the 5th column for the student table. So now please observe. So course column is added or not. Okay, so if you want to add the multiple columns, so here please observe, I am adding only single column. Now I want to add the multiple columns at a time. Simple, alter table name yard, for example fees. So this is integer data type, and college name. So this is varchar data type, giving the size 20. So at a time here I am adding 2 columns. First column name is fee and second column name is college name. So now please observe, fee, college name. So like that you need to add the multiple columns at a time. So this is the regarding about alter with yard command. So next we will move to alter with drop command. So what is the use of alter with drop? So by using alter with drop command, we will remove the columns from the existing table. Remove the columns from the existing table. See the syntax. Alter table name drop column name. That's it. So now here no need to specify the data type and size. Simply you can give the column name. So here one column is there. So this is the keyword. Column is the keyword. Here column name is the, if you whatever the column you need to drop, so that column name specified here. See the example. So here how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 columns. So now among these 8 columns I want to remove some columns. First we need to remove the single column. So now we will see after that we will see the how to remove the multiple columns at a time. Alter table name drop column. I want to drop fees column. Okay, so now please observe. So this fees column is available or not? Here there is no fees column. Okay, so now we will see how to remove the multiple columns at a time. Alter table name is student drop column. I want to drop student ID and age column. So please observe here there is no column student ID and age column. So like that by using these commands you need to remove the multiple columns. So by using above above command we need to remove the single column from the existing table. So this is the regarding about alter with drop command. And the next one is alter with alter command. So what is the use of alter with alter command? So by using alter with alter command, you need to change the data type and data type size. Change the data type and data type size. So please observe the syntax. Alter table name, alter column name, data type. So within the brackets specify the size. So this is the syntax for the alter with the alter. See the practically how to work it is. So previously so here s name is there, s name. So what is the s name data type here? Varchar. So now I want to change the this varchar to char data type. Okay na? Please observe. So this is the s name is the varchar data type. So now I want to change the this data type. Please observe. Alter table. What is the table name here? Student. Alter column name char of 30. So previous data type is varchar, so I am changing the varchar. So command is complete successfully. And now please observe. So for the student name, previous data type is varchar, okay na? And the new data type is char. Got it? So now we will see the change the data type. Here address data type is 20. Now I want to increase or decrease the data type size. So please observe. So what is the address data type size? Okay na? 20. Data type is varchar, size is 20. Now I want to change here. Please observe. Alter table name, alter column name, and this is varchar data type. So previous data type is 10. I want to change the 5. So command complete successfully. Now please observe the address column data type size. So the previous data type length is 5, and now we are length is 5. Now we are changing 20. Previous one is 20. Now we are decreasing the size here. So like that you need to increase the size or decrease the size, whatever it is maybe. So this is the regarding about alter command. So by using alter command, you need to add the columns to existing table. You need to drop the column from the existing table. You need to change the data type and data type size using alter command. So this is the regarding about alter command. So now we will go to remaining data types. So the next one is create command is successfully completed, and alter also completed successfully. And the third one is truncate command. So truncate command is used to remove the all the rows from the existing table. remove the all the rows from the existing table. So here it is not possible, it is not possible to remove single row. So by using truncate command, we can't remove single row. So the truncate command main aim is remove the all the rows only. Okay, na? See the syntax. Truncate table name. So that is the use of truncate command. So by using truncate command, we will remove the all the rows from the existing table. But here one disadvantage is there. So it is not possible to remove the single row. It is possible to remove the all the rows only. Please see the example. So here I am typing one query. Select a star from sys dot objects where type is equal to u. So by using this command, we will display the all the user defined tables for the required database. So here these all are user defined tables. Student details, practice, student details, so maths. So these all are user defined tables. Okay now. So whenever we have to type this query, so you need to display the all the table names within the database. So here I will take this database. Select a star from process. So here there is no data. Student details. This table also having no data. So no problem. So newly we are inserting the data. Previously which table we are taking? Student table. So now I want to insert the data into the student table. So now the table is empty. Select a star from student. Please observe here the table is empty. Now I want to insert the data. Insert into table name value. So we will discuss later by insert command. We will discuss later. So address name is student name is Hari. Address is Hyderabad. So date of birth is course is SKM and college name is JNT, whatever it is. So here press on. array address. Okay. So here how many records are there? So here 8 records are there. Okay, na same records I inserted. Okay, na same records. Okay, na duplicate records I inserted. Okay, na so this student table having 8 records. Now I want to remove the all the rows. That means here how many rows are there? 8 rows. Now I want to remove these 8 rows using truncate command. Truncate table name is student. So now please observe, now table is empty. Okay, na? So by using truncate command we will remove the all the rows only. So next move the next command. So the next one is drop command. So what is the use of drop command? By using drop command we will remove the table from the database. Remove the table from the database. See the syntax. Drop table name. See the practically. So this is the student table. Okay, na? Now I want to remove this student table from the database. Drop table name is student. Now please observe. So here invalid object name student. So because here there is no object student, because already we removed this student table from the SQL Server database. So that's why it is shown invalid object name student error. Okay, na? So the last one is rename. So what is the use of a rename? So by using a rename command we will change the column name or change the table name. Okay, na? We can change the column name, we can change the table name using rename command. Change column name or table name. So see the first how to change the column name. See the syntax, sp underscore rename. So here table name dot old column name comma new column name. The next one is change table name. Old table name comma new table name. So here I will choose one. So here I am taking Veda IT students. select the star from Veda IT student. So this is the table name. So here, how many columns are there? Three columns. SID, student name, date of birth. Now I want to change the student ID name to yes name. First, change the column name here. SP underscore rename. So what is the table name here? Table name dot column name student underscore name. So this is the old column. Now I want to change yes name. So now please observe. So this student name, it will be changed to yes name. So that this is the old column name. This is the new column name. So now please observe. Okay, na? So previously this is student underscore name the column, and that name will be changed into yes name. Okay, na? So now we will see the how to change the table name. SP underscore rename. So here, what is the old table name? This is the old table name. And that new table name is students I am taking. Okay, na? Here, please observe. It will show error. Invalid object name Veda IT students. Why? Because we are removing the Veda IT here. Only the name it will be students. So now please observe. Okay, na? So like that, you need to change the table name or column name using the SP underscore or rename command. Got it? So this is the regarding about DDL commands. Okay, na?